Yes, I'm a box, and at the moment I'm empty, but I'm on an important mission. At Jomipsa, we've spent the last 40 years covering basic needs like food, hygiene, clothing, and shelter, even in the worst kinds of conditions. Each box is designed and made to measure so it meets all the requirements for getting food ration packs and humanitarian aid kits where they're needed, hygienically and safely. Each box is its own world, like each project, so we adapt it to the cultural and culinary preferences of the people we're intended for. We always contain durable, top-quality products, so customized solutions can be designed for food, hygiene, shelter, and clothing. We're always ready. Permanent safety stocks are produced and stored in our facilities, and when we're needed, everything happens very quickly. To make sure everything is correct on delivery, advanced controls are in place throughout the entire process to guarantee zero errors. That's our commitment, just as it is to look after the planet. That's why our environmental policy has reduced our carbon footprint to zero. At Jomipsa, we work hard every day to ensure our customers receive the help they need to meet their requirements anywhere, in any situation. Jomipsa, always ready, always safe.